How to remove credit card from both. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove credit card from both. Now, to remove credit card from both is not difficult. Just follow the procedures that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to log in into your both account. Once you are logged in, move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see three horizontal lines and click on it. After clicking on it, a page will be displayed. In this page, in the options displayed, select payment. Then once you're on the payments page, you'll see your both balance, you'll see what is both balance, see both balance transactions, and then you'll see your payments method, and you would see your credit card. So the next step is to select the credit card you want to remove. And then once you've selected it, just like I have done here, just slide over the credit card this way, and then you see the option delete. Okay, just click on delete, and then just like that, your credit card will be removed from both. Do this for as many cards as you want. Okay, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.